Hello everyone. In today's round 12, we're here from this analyze of these games in Tata Steel Chess Tournament 2025. So it means challengers, so it means round number 12 of this one. So it means next round number 13, last round of this one. And today's round 12 of this analyze of these challengers here from this one. And also have between from this international master in Argentina is Faustino Oro, 11 years old by young kids from this one. And also have a international master in China, Lu Miaoyi, aka Miao Miao. So it means 15 years old. So it means Miao Miao is a birthday in this February. So it means happy birthday Lu Miaoyi in this international masters. So in today's round 12 in this analyze, in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this round number 12 in Tata Steel. So white plays Faustino is e4, e5 Meow Meow, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5, Roy Lopez opening, a6. Oh my god, a6 is called Morphy defense, Roy Lopez opening by Meow Meow. So why don't we try is knight d4. It's called Bird's defense by Roy Lopez. So it means if you capture this, knight takes d4 or maybe it takes d4 by knights. Still continuations by solutions by white and blacks here from this one. So Meow Meow moves by a6 by Morphy defense here from this one. And also bishop backwards a4. Knight f6 threatening by e4 by pawn. And also castle kingside. And also bishop c5. So it means why don't we capture this knight takes here, pawns here. Knight takes e4 here from this one. And also rook e1 threatening knights here from this one. And also knight d6. So it means we need to focus by Meow Meow. So it means move by knight d6 here from this one. So back there is bishop c5. And also c3 by Faustino. Still move by d3 by pawns here from this one. And also b5 threatening bishop, and also bishop b3, and also d6. What a nice move by Meow Meow. Still continuations here from this one without upcoming this castle kingside here by Meow Meow. And also d3, and also h6 is no more by bishop g5 here, and also rook e1, castle kingside, and also h3 is no more by bishop g4 or knight g4, and also rook e8, and also knight bd2. So it means nice move by Faustino by upcoming this followed by knight f1 or maybe knight g3. So it's still continuations here from this one. And also bishop backwards b6, and also knight f1. So it means followed by knight g3 here. So it means followed by knight g3 here. And also bishop e6 by Meow Meow. Still capture this bishop here. And also bishop takes, rook takes, and also knight g3. What a fantastic move by Faustino here from this one. And also d5. So it means d5 by Meow Meow. Still threatening by pawns. And also queen e2. And also queen d7. So it means queen d7 by Meow Meow, followed by rook a d8. So it's still move here from this one. And also knight h4, and also bishop c5. So it means bishop c5 is novelty by Meow Meow. Still novelty. Old main line there is rook a d8. Still good decision. So it means good novelty here from this one. So back novelty is bishop c5 by Meow Meow, and also knight hf5. What a nice move by Faustino. Still focusing by move here, and also bishop backwards f8, and also h4. So it means h4 here, and also rook d8. What a nice move by Meow Meow. Still continuations here from this one. Still focusing here, and also bishop e3, and also d4. So it means strongest move by Meow Meow without threatening by this one by bishop or maybe pawns by c3 here from this one. And also captured, and also bishop d2, knight b4, and also rook ec1, and also c5. So it means c5 here. Our first bad move of this meow meow in this computer engine here. So the correct move there is push a5. So it means push a5 here by best moves here from this one. So back there is c5, and also good move bishop takes knight, and also pawn takes bishop, and also another good move h5. So it means what a fantastic move by Faustino. So it means nice shot. And also a5. So it means nice move by Meow Meow. Still continuations by pushings here from this one. And also queen c2. So it means queen c2 is bad move by Faustino. So the best moves there is rook c2 followed by rook ac1 without battery here from this one. So back there is queen c2, and also g6 threatening knight, and also captured, and also knight h4, and also knight g4, knight f3, and also bishop g7, another bad move by Meow Meow. So the best moves there is rook de8 without battery. Still continuations here, battery by rook de8, still best move here. So back there is bishop g7, and also knight e2, and also rook f8, another bad move again by Meow Meow. Still stockfish by computer. So the best moves there is knight e5. Still best moves here. If you capture this, knight takes here, or maybe bishop takes knight. So it means without continuation, still solutions here from this one. So back there is rook f8, and also another good move again is queen c7. What a nice shot by fantastic move by young kid in this Faustino. Still great move here. And also rook rook e7. So it means defense. So it means so repeat. So it means queen c7 without queen to queen. So it means queen to queen here by Faustino here. And also she moves Meow Meow is rook e7. So it means defense by Meow Meow here from this one. And also queen takes, rook takes, and also rook c5. Sorry, I got drunk. Sorry. So it means continue. So it means rook c5. So it means rook c5 by Faustino, threatening by pawn by b5 by Meow Meow. Still threatening here target there in this pawn. And also rook df7 battery by Meow Meow. And also rook ac1 battery by Faustino. And also h5. So it means h5 by Meow Meow. Pushes by h4 or maybe h3 here. So without here, pushes without here. And also rook c8 without rook to rook. Still upcoming rook to rooks here. And also h4. So it means h4. What a sacrifice move by Meow Meow. Still without upcoming push by h3 or maybe h2 without check here. So it means check. So without pushing here. And also rook 1 c6. So it means another bad move by young kid in this Faustino. Another bad move. So the best moves there is continue is rook takes captured, or maybe if you capture this rook here, and also rook c5. So it means rook c5 threatening here, or maybe threatening by b5 by pawns here, or it means, or maybe here is rook b8. So it means rook b8 here. So, or maybe here is, what do you think? So it means capture this knight. Oh, or maybe here, rook b8. Sorry, I got wrong my decisions here. So it means wrong. So it means rook b8 here, or maybe continue is knight takes here. So it means sacrifice, knight takes h4. So it means sacrifice here. So it means capture the sacrifice here from this one. Sorry, I got wrong but by my tab of this mouse in this laptop here, my laptop. So back there is rook 1 c6 and also h3. So it means what a nice shot by Meow Meow. without pushes, without threatening by, no. So it means push by h2. So it means without check. Oh, without check here from this one. And also rook takes f8, good move. Rook takes, and also knight takes d4. So it means wrong move. Wrong. X move. So the best moves there is continue is she takes h3. So it means she takes h3 without threatening by knights here. So it means knight, if you move by knight e5. So it means knight e5 without threatening here. So it means threatening by rooks here. And also knight takes here, or maybe bishop takes here. Or maybe solutions by continuations here by solutions without continuations by determinations here. So back there is e takes d4, and also push h2 check, wrong again. So the best moves there is bishop takes knight. So it means bishop takes knight. If you capture this, knight takes d4, or maybe here is, we'll continue, is push h2 check. So it means h2 check here without check, or maybe here is king h1. So it means king h1 here. So back there is h2 check, and also good move knight takes h2, and also knight takes h2, bad move. So the best moves there is bishop takes knight. So it means follow of this captured here. So it means bishop takes knights here. Or maybe if you capture this one, knight takes g4. So it means no more by decisions here from this one. So back there is knight takes h2, and also rook takes pawn without threatening by bishop here. So it means threatening by bishop here, and also rook f7. So it means defense by meow meow here, and also knight f5. So it means knight f5 by Faustino without threatening by bishop, or maybe rook takes here. So it means double by attacking this one bishop here. And also king f8. So it means king f8 here. So it means what time here? So it means 23 minutes by Young Kid by Faustino, and 35 seconds by Meow Meow. Still very slowest move by Meow Meow here. And also knight takes bishop, and also a4. So it means a4 by pushes by Meow Meow. And also knight e6 check, and also king e8. Knight d4. So it means knight d4 by Faustino, by target by also b5 by pawns. So it means without threatening by b5 here. And also rook d7 threatening knights, and also one pawn down by Meow Meow is knight takes b5. So it means one pawn down by Meow Meow. So it means how many pawns here? So it means 6 pawns by Faustino and 2 pawns by Meow Meow. So it means 6 versus 2 here. And also king f7, and also rook d6. So it means rook to rook, and also rook b7 avoided by Meow Meow, still threatening knights here. So if you capture this one, if you rook takes d6 here, and also knight takes d6 check, or maybe here is king e6. Oh, what you put there is there knight c4. Oh, knight c4 here from this one. So back there is rook b7 threatening knight, and also last shot is rook d5. And here is give up by Meow Meow. So it means give up her. So why she's give up? Because for example, if you king e6 only move, and also king takes captured knight, still fatal. So it means lost by black of this Meow Meow. So it means Meow Meow very nice, strongest by masters by Meow Meow. So it means 15 years old. So it means lose by black. So it means the winner of this round 12 of this challenger in this international master by Young Kid in this Argentina is Faustino Oro. So it means Faustino Oro. So it means international master Faustino Oro. So it means winner, his young kids. So it means congratulations here. So the last round, so it means round number 13 by last round from this one. So it means I will analyze of these both by masters and challengers here. I will choose of this one to battle against between, I don't know. So it means I will see it later here from this round here. So I hope of this part of this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and adios. Sayonara.